wants to be found online, and the best way to do it is through social media optimization. Today's video, we're going to be talking about exactly how you can actually optimize your social media accounts so people can find you and you can do less work. So my name is Rania from Socialize, and I'm an online marketing coach helping entrepreneurs actually move the needle in their online marketing efforts through simplicity and avoiding overwhelm. So today's video, we're going to be talking about how you can actually optimize. So the first thing you need to do is when you're actually posting any kind of post in terms of the media, so we're talking about video, posts, GIFs, any kind of media that you're posting on the social media platform, it needs to include an alt text. The alt text is there for people who have hearing impairment. But what is actually true as well is that the way search engine works is it reads the alt text as well. So that means you're making the search engine's life easier by just reading the alt text instead of needing to scan the image to find out what's in the image. The second thing you need to pay attention to is the words you're using on social media. You need to be using the words of your customer. I cannot stress this enough. The words of your customer are what's going to be changing your online marketing efforts on the long run. So you're probably like, okay, how am I going to find the words of the customer, Rania? Well, talk to them. The best way to find out how your customers are explaining their problems is by actually asking them and getting on a call with them or talking to them on direct messages. Calls are better because the way you explain things verbally is different than the ways you explain things written, but either way would be perfect. The third thing you need to pay attention to when you're doing optimization for your social media accounts is that your actual account needs to be optimized. So that means you need to be using the right keywords and the right images for your brand. So what this means is instead of writing Rania Abouyounes as your username and then Rania Abouyounes as your headline or in your bio section, go for Rania Abouyounes as your username and then your headline would be online marketing coach or whatever your business is about. That way, you're going to be using the limited keywords that you have to rank for something you want people to find you based on. The fourth thing you need to pay attention to when you're optimizing your social media account is that you're actually creating content that your audience wants to see. So that means that you're creating content that is relevant to your audience, that is going to get traffic to your site, and that is going to help you with the keyword research that you've already done and with the optimization techniques that I've just mentioned that you've already done, get more traffic onto your social media accounts and then push your content even further. Now, if you're enjoying these tips, please hit the like button on the YouTube video. Your like will help me create more content and will help push my video out to more people so that they can actually benefit from social media optimization and how they can grow online. Now, I've already created another video about Facebook optimization and how to set it up, and it's a bit similar in terms of what I'm talking about right now, and you can view that on this section right here and go into the details of your Facebook optimization. And I'll be seeing you in next week's video.